Welcome to Honesty. It's the house built for art again. It's another piece from another series of mine. This one titled Back to Nature. It is at the entrance of this house, right at the first impression. This is what you see, and that's very fitting because the subject of this piece is how we all see everything upside down naturally, and only our brain changes it and turns everything to the position we see. So this is kind of how a newborn would see the world, upside down. The sky is at the bottom, the sea is on the top with the sand and the shore, and this is kind of a ripple effect in this cave wall or on the surface. And on the right hand side, on the lower corner, you see a shadow of a child who is observing this new world. This is what this piece is all about. It doesn't try to be more or less. It's a first view of our world. The three colors are there. The two sides kind of red, the sand is yellow, and the rest is water, which is blue, up and down. Thanks for watching, and please remember, we are all the same, just in different ways.